If you're looking to replace your expensive computer with something more budget-friendly, then look no further than this list of the best Chromebooks under $300. Chromebooks offer several advantages over traditional laptops, including a lower price, a longer battery life, and better security. Basically, Chromebooks offer all the functionalities of a laptop with all the convenience of a tablet. Students appreciate the free cloud-based email, storage, collaborative documents, and presentations, all in a cloud-based system which made Chromebook the go-to device for education. Hey there! If you're new here, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the best Chromebooks currently available for under $300. Use this guide to determine which specific Chromebook best suits your needs and your wallet. Before we begin, please hit those like and subscribe buttons below to help our channel grow. Number 11. 2020 HP Chromebook 14. The HP Chromebook 14 is a great option for those who want to get the most out of their laptop while spending less money. This 2-in-1 device can be flipped around, used as a tablet, or changed into a tent or stand mode. The Chrome OS is the speedy, simple, and secure OS that powers every Chromebook. Chrome OS updates automatically every 6 weeks with the latest updates and virus protection. It features dual-core processing. AMD A4 APU handles the AMD Radeon graphics alongside the central processor to balance the load, enable smooth, fast internet browsing, and fast, responsive performance. The 4 GB system memory for basic multitasking and adequate high-bandwidth RAM means you can smoothly run multiple applications and browse and tab all at once. The ultra-compact 32GB eMMC flash memory system is ideal for mobile devices and applications, providing enhanced storage capabilities, streamlined data management, quick boot-up time, and support for high-definition video playback. Ultra-thin and ultra-light for maximum portability, featuring a smaller screen size and omitting the DVD-CD drive to achieve the compact form factor. Number 10. Acer Chromebook Spin 311. The stylish Chromebook Spin 311 easily transforms into anything you need it to be, thanks to its versatile 360-degree hinge that lets you rotate it to any angle to create a notebook, stand-up display, tent, or tablet. This super cool functionality allows you to take it anywhere and use it anywhere. The awesome features on this touch Chromebook with HD display includes a wide-angle view webcam supporting HDR imaging that enhances face-to-face chats and video conference experience. Watch what you love in all its clarity with detail and saturated colors from edge to edge thanks to the 11-inch HD display with IPS technology. Touch, swipe, and scroll on the durable, damage-resistant antimicrobial Corning Gorilla Glass touchscreen. 2 USB Type-C ports for ultra-quick data transfer, video streaming, and battery charging. The reversible USB 3.1 Type-C connector is the same at both ends and on both sides. In addition to the 2 USB 3.1 Type-C ports, there are also 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports and a micro SD slot for extra storage. At just 0.79 inches thin and weighing 2.62 pounds, this Chromebook is smaller than a sheet of A4 paper. Number 9. Asus Chromebook Flip C434. Introducing the all-new flagship Asus Chromebook Flip C434, a Chromebook featuring a durable 360-degree hinge, 14-inch display, 4-way nano edge, narrow bezel, all-metal finish, and USB Type-C Type-A. Asus Chromebook Flip C434 is not only slim and lightweight, but the new nano edge design gives it an ultra-compact footprint, so you can enjoy all the benefits of a 14-inch FHD display in a chassis that is as small as many 13-inch laptops. The new 4-sided nano edge display is simply breathtaking with ultra-slim bezels, 5mm thin, for a near borderless experience. The touchscreen display also brings deep darks and bright colors together and full HD resolution to deliver an eye-watering, true-to-life experience. Featuring a precision-engineered mechanism, the versatile 360-degree ergo lift hinge on Asus Chromebook Flip C434 has a silky smooth action that holds the display securely at any edge. This innovative hinge has a dual action that slightly lifts and tilts the keyboard into the perfect typing position when the display is rotated into laptop mode. It also helps enhance the powerful audio by creating extra space underneath the laptop. Number 8. Samsung Chromebook 4. The Samsung Chromebook 4 is perfect for teachers, supporting various teaching methodologies in or out of the classroom. Maximize your technology funding with a budget-friendly solution that can meet your needs. Plus, it's a device that takes care of itself, so it's easy to maintain and manage across your class. Deliver an active, engaged student experience with the ultimate combination of best-in-class technology and a low barrier to entry. Designed with military-grade durability, the Samsung Chromebook 4 is made to handle life, including bumps, drops, and extreme temperatures. It's slim, and at 2.6 pounds, it will fit into any bag and never weigh you down. A striking 11.6-inch HD display is nestled within a compact aluminum cover, and it's equipped with a full-size keyboard and trackpad. Download large files more rapidly with a lightning-fast gigabit Wi-Fi connection, stream educational videos, and more with high-speed access. There's a lot to get done in a school day, and you need a battery that'll last through it all. The Samsung Chromebook 4 delivers up to 12.5 hours of battery on a full charge that quickly recharges on a USB-C charger. Engineered with multiple layers of built-in virus protection, the Samsung Chromebook 4 keeps you protected against harmful apps and malware from the instant you open your device. And with automatic updates, you can count on always having the latest in security protection. Number 7. Lenovo Chromebook Flex 3. The Chromebook Flex 3 is built for speed and distance, delivering the processing power for your everyday needs, while memory and storage provides fast boot times. With all that power, you still get all-day battery life, making this device a trusty companion from day to night. Complementing the iconic dual-tone texture design of the Chromebook Flex 3, 11-inch, is a truly versatile 360-degree convertible configuration. To add function to the stylish design, USB-C and USB-A ports, as well as Bluetooth, let you connect to the peripherals you love, while Wi-Fi lets you connect to the world. Enjoy your favorite shows at any angle with the Chromebook Flex 3 11.6-inch HD IPS display. Its 10-point touchscreen also enables an intuitive experience like using a tablet or smartphone. Soak in the crystal clear sound of dual user-facing 2W stereo speakers. Chrome OS offers a truly user-friendly experience that provides everything you need at your fingertips. Just log in with your Google account and immediately access Google Drive files and Chrome preferences. Chromebooks are also the safest laptops around, with device updates every 6 weeks to protect you from security threats. And if you need an extra hand, just say, "Hey Google," and Google Assistant can help you send emails, check your calendar, control your smart home devices, and more. Number 6. HP Chromebook X2 11. Light enough to take everywhere you go, the flexible design of the HP Chromebook X2 lets you easily detach the keyboard and the kickstand and makes for a great travel companion. With long battery life, you can stay connected from anywhere. More ways to get things done. Get it all done with the power of a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and the 3:2 aspect ratio touchscreen. With a full-size detachable keyboard, oversized touchpad, and dual cameras, you'll stay productive wherever the day takes you. Bring the excitement you need. Experience entertainment on the go with cinematic screen and dual speakers with audio by Bang & Olufsen. Stay productive wherever you go with the power of a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C processor and compatible apps like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and more. Feel safe and secure when browsing with built-in virus protection and automatic backups. Seamlessly log into your devices with the touch of your finger with the integrated fingerprint reader on the power button. The HP Chromebook X2 laptop is ENERGY STAR certified and EPEAT Silver registered. And because little things make a big difference, we've included sustainable materials like ocean-bound plastic and post-consumer recycled plastic in the design. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. Backpack, meet your new best friend. With its all-new slim design, Galaxy Chromebook Go is perfect for busy lives on the go. With a 14-inch screen and weighing 3.2 pounds, this Chromebook helps you stay light and fast on your feet by not weighing you down. Plus, Galaxy Chromebook Go is easy to use and ready for action. Simply unpack it, turn it on, and you're ready. Galaxy Chromebook Go is built to withstand the inevitable hiccups that come with everyday life. Made with military-grade design, your Galaxy Chromebook Go is carefully built in to be durable. It's even strong enough to withstand the occasional drop or ding. Open and close the lid with confidence, and the hinge is built to take it too. Plus, the hinge features an 18-degree design that gives you multiple viewing angles to fully enjoy your Galaxy Chromebook Go. Always on the lookout for a power outlet? No longer. Now you can breeze through your schoolwork with plenty of power left for some me time. The battery goes up to 12 hours on a simple charge. Plus, say goodbye to the tangled knot of cords in your bag with a universal charger. Conveniently power up your many Samsung devices, including your Chromebook, phone, tablet, and buds, all on the same charger. Blaze through every assignment and hit every due date with fast Wi-Fi speed. With Nearby Share on Chrome OS, you can easily hand off files between your devices. No need to email yourself, or if your classmates also use Chrome OS, you can easily zap a file to any of their devices. Directly control your Android phone with Phone Hub, even if your phone is buried in your backpack. Number 4. Lenovo Chromebook Duet. It's time to unlaptop and go with Lenovo Chromebook Duet. This sleek and light 2-in-1 Chromebook switches from business to fun as easily as it switches from laptop to tablet mode. Simply detach the plug-and-play keyboard and you have an ultra-portable 10-inch tablet ready to entertain you. In laptop mode, the laptop keyboard is comfortable to use and responsive, while the full HD display is visually appealing in either mode. This touchscreen Chromebook is easy to use for work or play. You'll enjoy thousands of apps from the Google Play Store, super fast boot up that takes only seconds, more than 8 years of automatic updates, and USI stylus support. Take your Chromebook everywhere you want to go. Weighing less than 1 pound, this lightweight notebook is the perfect travel companion. Built-in wireless connectivity through 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth lets you stream your favorite shows and videos with ease. Plus, the 4-side narrow bezel gives you a great viewing experience. You'll stay virus-free with verified boot and enjoy seamless updates in the background with access to all your favorite Google Cloud-based productivity tools everywhere you go. Plus, compatibility with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, you'll always stay on top of things. Front and rear integrated cameras keep you connected, while the long life battery, up to 10 hours, will keep you running. Number 3. Asus Chromebook CX1. Asus Chromebook CX1 is made for boosting productivity and multitasking while having more fun all day, every day. This ultimate 17-inch device is powered by up to a quad-core Intel Pentium processor and gives you the freedom of up to 17 hours of battery life. The slim bezel design fits more screens into the compact chassis for easy multitasking and incredibly immersive entertainment. And the device is your gateway to the best of Google, including a rich library of apps for work or play on the Google Play. With speedy performance, robust security, and convenient features, Asus Chromebook CX1 is perfect for learning or working from anywhere. Featuring ultra-narrow bezels, Asus Chromebook CX1 packs a stunning 17-inch display into its solid chassis, delivering immersive 78% screen-to-body ratio. Combined with a matte anti-glare coating to reduce distracting reflections, the device maximizes your focus and screen area, empowering you to do more on the go. With structural reinforcement to boost chassis strength, Asus Chromebook CX1 is solidly built and provides durability for all your travels. It also meets next-level and industry-leading military tests, which are more rigorous and demanding than ever before. Additionally, the device undergoes stringent in-house testing, including panel pressure, shock, and drop tests for ensuring maximum toughness, so you don't have to worry about everyday knocks and bumps. A full-size ergonomic keyboard with a 1.5mm key travel ensures supremely comfortable typing experience on Asus Chromebook CX1. Typing on a compact device has never been this smooth and easy. The device also features a numeric keypad for convenient intuitive number input. Asus Chromebook CX1 offers a 180-degree lay-flat hinge that allows it to be fully open and laid completely flat on a desk or table. This setup makes it easy to share ideas, visuals, samples, and designs when you're working with friends, colleagues, or clients. Number 2. Acer Chromebook 314. The Acer Chromebook 314 is a productivity rockstar with an immersive 14-inch Full HD IPS display that's designed for working in bright light conditions. It's thin, light, and delivers unmatched value in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world. With a long battery life, a fast Intel CPU, and fast Wi-Fi connection, it gets you online in an instant so you can run your favorite Google apps or access your photos, videos, music, or documents all day long. The Acer Chromebook 314 delivers the performance you need on the web. The extra performance makes content-rich web pages fast, provides crisp video playback, and enables you to multitask effortlessly by allowing multiple pages to run at the same time. The large 14-inch Full HD IPS display with an anti-glare coating gives users a greater workspace so they can be more productive in bright conditions. Designed for portable convenience, this Chromebook is thin, weighs just over 3 pounds, and has over 12 hours of battery life. With just a single charge, you get in a full day's work with time to spare, and you don't have to take the power adapter with you. 2 USB Type-C ports for ultra-quick data transfer, video streaming, and battery charging. The reversible USB 3.1 Type-C connector is the same at both ends and on both sides, so it's easy to attach. There are also 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports and a micro SD slot. Fast boot time, ease of use, tough security, and a long battery life are some of the advantages of Chrome OS. With a boot time of about 8 seconds, you'll start working quicker. The simplified interface makes it easy to learn. Integrated malware protection stops viruses in their tracks. And finally, an efficient use of power means you can work all day without your power adapter. Number 1. Lenovo 14E Chromebook. Open as many windows as you like. Run multiple apps. Play high-definition videos or stream your favorite TV shows. Whatever task you want to accomplish, the 14E Chromebook will perform smoothly, without compromising a thing. With AMD A4 dual-core processing and the Chrome OS, everything runs smoothly. Choose from thousands of education and business apps on Google Play and in the Chrome Web Store, including TinkerCAD, Expensify, Lucidchart, and Dropbox. Behind the stamped aluminum shell cover, the 14-inch FHD display boasts a 6mm narrow bezel, plus IPS and anti-glare technology. The result is a larger, more vibrant screen with wide-angle viewing that's less of a strain on your eyes. There's also a touchscreen option for faster, more intuitive interaction. The full-size keyboard includes a sealed touchpad that can resist spills of up to 1.39 cups. It also boosts mechanically anchored keys that stay put regardless of the bumps and knocks of daily life. The front-facing 720p HD camera comes with 2 microphones, making video conferencing or chatting over Google Hangout a breeze. What's more, everything sounds and looks crystal clear, enabling closer collaboration even from across the globe. Fully charged, the 14E Chromebook can run up to 10 hours. That's more than enough juice to entertain you on your daily commute and get things done when you're at school or work. At home, simply recharge your Chromebook overnight and it's good to go the next day. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you click the like button and subscribe buttons below. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any recommendations for videos. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks again for watching.